All right. So we're loaded up now. Thanks all watching to Who's Ready to Learn Crypto. Your host Cam Callender here. We're getting started here as the screen shares are loading. And Rhonda joining us today. And Rhonda, if you just want to start off, let us know kind of where you are in your crypto journey, how far you've gotten into it, and where you're at kind of in the world of crypto.
I am a novice and a beginner. Just want to understand it, I guess.
Yeah, okay, great. Yeah, a lot of people who come to this group and to my calls that are just getting started. So you're in the right place. So have you as novice, have you purchased any crypto as of yet? Opened an exchange account or done
No,
anything with crypto yet, or still just learning it all?
still just getting information.
Yeah, okay, great. Oh yeah, we've got a lot of information here. We focus more on the trading aspect with my group. So a lot of this may be information that will be quite advanced for you, but we'll definitely open up for some additional questions
Will the
that we can
recording
get
be
into.
sent out?
I'm sorry?
Will the recording be sent out?
Yeah, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yep, they're all recorded to my YouTube channel. So we're live on YouTube right now, and the recording will be on YouTube.
Beautiful. Perhaps I can just catch it there.
Yes, can. And there's plenty of our past groups as well. But yeah, definitely we have a full training suite that goes over everything crypto with Project ICP, what we work with. But mostly I teach the trading aspect here, which shows you how to profit in the markets with the software that I utilize, which you can see on the screen right now. It's actually identifying a potential trade right now, which I'm actually going to take action on. So already went and purchased that. So I'm looking at seeing if where I want to trade this position at, which I'm probably going to look at a 3% on this one. Mm, maybe two. Here. Just give me a moment, just lining up these trade numbers here. All right. But yeah, so with this trading software is what we normally teach about. We always answer any questions coming in. And then yeah. So Rhonda had to drop. But she'll take a look at the YouTube sessions. Definitely want to show you guys. So with the software, if you guys watch some of the other trade finder uh, softwares and that I've gone into some of my previous trades. So we're looking at Ethereum right now because it just had a dip and I like Ethereum. So definitely wanted to get that one going because it just hit a dip. So a nice little dip on Ethereum. So I'll go ahead and pull in the disclaimer since we did a trade today. So definitely make sure that you are doing your due diligence when trading results. So the training, make sure that you're following and everything's 100% your responsibility when you're doing trading. So make sure that you are doing your due diligence. And if you're using the system and learning how to trade, definitely make sure that you're following the system and trading properly, and make sure that you're watching your risks as well, because you're trading at your own risk. I definitely want to have these disclaimers up, so definitely read through those as we go through the trade right now. So, and I'll keep those up as we get through discussing the trading. But definitely, if you haven't already, you can get started at msimind.com/Bitcoin, where we have the free trading boot camp. You can utilize the red button, which I'll play this video a little bit later after we lock in this completed trade. Because definitely I'd want you guys to get on board the boot camp and load that up so you can at least get started on learning. But then we're going to continue to look at the chart and see kind of where Ethereum goes today. Looks like it's dropping actually a little bit lower. Maybe should have waited just a little bit longer on the trade because it looks like it's dropping a little bit more. But I think I'm going to be all right. Because I got it in at 34.93, so got a decent price. Yep. And it's already back up to 95, so we're looking good. Yeah, it was a good dip. It's already starting to edge back up, which is good. So I'm thinking it's going to hit back to 35, 30, maybe 36. We should be good there. So looking at it right here. So thinking it's gonna recorrect back to the top of the band. It may not hit all the way back to the top of the band. So we're probably gonna get 35. But that's still a pretty good swing if it comes all the way back up to 35. So if we look at that swing back up to 35. We got a good swing there. But I'll go ahead and open up this trading position. So here was the limit buy that I just did earlier. Got it at 34.93.13. So I'm going to lock in this position. And then we'll do some calculations with that position. Go ahead and readjust the screening. All right. So Ethereum. And let's go ahead and look at some calculations. So we've got some additional ladder buys. So looking at a 2%, the 36. I'm not sure if it's going to hit a full 2%, but we should likely hit a 1% on this one. But I could, with the way that it's looking, yeah, 35. So we're looking at going back to just about the average, which is right here. So a little bit over 35. Well, 34.98. Yeah. So we can already see it's starting to come back up, which is good. So, but I'm probably going to stake this Ethereum long term for a while, add it to my staking balance, which I'll cover that in just a second with you guys as well. But likely going to add this to my staking and hold it a bit longer. Sell this out right away. But you can see these calculations to buy lower percentages. So if it drops, I might pick up some more as well. Definitely, let me throw an alert here. If that drops more than 2%, definitely gonna want some more. But yeah, looking at likely a 1% edge out. So, but I'm gonna let that one run today and keep that one running. So I'll leave the disclaimers up. Because I'll leave that trade running for a little bit and keep things going there, but definitely watching that alert. Got the live Ethereum trade there. And then from here, I'll likely go into staking it. If you guys aren't familiar with staking, it's where you get a reward for holding a particular coin. So it's already marking since I had that Ethereum that I just purchased, I could stake that additional. So I have more to stake there. on that. So, but yeah, see, I'm already holding these coins right here that are already staked. Live here has been jumping up in percentage, so I just started staking that. Still got BNB always on stake and Ethereum, and then Atom has been the highest one that I've been staking because they've been staying double digits for a while. But Peer has been jumping up. LPT has been jumping up. They're at 29% staking rate, reward rate right now. So definitely been jumping on that. Just added a little bit of balance to that to capitalize on that 29%. See where that growth goes to as well. But I'm going to leave that up for at least the rest of this month. And then I'll think Ethereum's only at 3%, but I like the way Ethereum moves and its utilization and all the DeFi that goes with Ethereum. So I always like to grab Ethereum, some more Ethereum, and accumulate that as it dips. And then I add it to my staking balance. So I may not actually trade that out, but I'll likely add that to my staking balance. So I could start staking that. Stake max. So I'll add this to my staking balance. So yeah, I'll go ahead and stake that Ethereum. So we'll keep that growing. And grow more Ethereum, acquire more Ethereum. But definitely want you guys to get on board Project ICP. I will play the opening video for you guys so you can see a little bit more on that, but definitely want these disclaimers up so you can make sure you're doing your due diligence. Make sure you read the disclaimers, trading results, not typical. Yeah, it's possible to lose all of your money when you get into the markets and start trading. Personally, I've been winning. I love this system. I've been winning with it. I was actually fortunate enough to not lose anything by following this system and strategy. So, but definitely I'll let you guys watch the video and then I'll dive in a little bit more on my trade that I did today. If you guys have more questions that come up, I'll be watching the chats and see if anything else comes up question-wise. But definitely hop on board and get your questions answered crypto-wise. But let's get into the video.
Is the Bitcoin opportunity over? I mean, what if you didn't get to buy Bitcoin at $1 or $100 or even $1,000? Well, in my opinion, absolutely not. In fact, it's really just beginning, and the opportunity lies now in trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for profit. Hi, my name is Justin Clark, and I'm the creator of the Micro Profit System for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading and founder of iCoin Pro. I was personally able to more than 10x Bitcoin's returns using a simple system with super fast, low risk, and low stress trades. And the best part is anyone can do it too. Since 2017, I've helped thousands of people get started with cryptocurrency and shown them how to successfully buy, sell, and trade them for profit. Some of them even making enough money to quit their jobs and go full time. When Coinbase came to me to help create their new Coinbase Advanced Trading platform, I knew I was starting to make waves with what I was doing. It was an honor to be chosen out of over 100 million users to assist on that vital project for them. And it's great to trade every day on a platform that I helped create. We actually live in exciting times for Bitcoin and crypto. Right now, they're going through a phase where they are being legitimized in the eyes of the world. They're being recognized in the financial markets. They are being accepted by governments around the world. In essence, they are going mainstream. What that means is stability for this new asset class, and that means long-term opportunity for you. So as you can see, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are definitely here to stay. But again, where's the opportunity now for the average person who didn't get to buy Bitcoin at $100? Well, imagine this. What if there was a complete training program that was simple to understand, that showed you exactly when to buy and sell coins for profit? What if there was a software that crawled the exchanges 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, looking for trade opportunities for you? What if there was a real opportunity where you can make some extra money each month or even potentially a full-time income and replace your job working at home or wherever you are, all through trading cryptocurrencies? Well, guess what? There is. Welcome to iCoin Pro and the Micro Profit System. With the Micro Profit System, it doesn't even matter whether Bitcoin goes up, down, sideways, or in loop-de-loops. The reality is there's tremendous profits to be made consistently if you know what you're doing. Even when a coin is going down in price, you can profit, and I'll show you how. Look at this chart. This coin is going down and decreases in price by 13% on this chart. But the reality is nothing goes up or down in a straight line in trading. Actually, as it goes down, there are certain signals we teach you to read that show you when there are going to be turnarounds. And these are micro profits that can be made every single time. In fact, on this coin, you could have made a potential 14.5% profit if you knew how to trade it, all while it went down by 13%. There are also times when coins make bigger price movements up after having found a floor. They can go up sometimes 10, 20, 30% or even more in the space of a couple days. And with our exclusive Trade Finder software, we are sending signals to you 24/7, 365 of these potential trades before they even happen, right to your computer or your smartphone. There really is nothing else out there right now like iCoin Pro's Trade Finder. It finds these potential trades for you so you can ride that rocket all the way to the top. Now, cryptocurrency markets are like a roller coaster ride. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, sometimes really fast. You have to know when to get on that roller coaster and, more importantly, when to get off. There are plenty of examples where people have lost money simply because they didn't know how to read the signals to get off the roller coaster ride before it crashed. And that's exactly what you learn in iCoin Pro. Even if you're a total newbie, we've got you covered. We teach you everything from buying your first Bitcoin, setting up your accounts, all the way through to advanced modules like reading and understanding charts, using resistance levels, and of course, trading to maximize your profits with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Founded in 2017, iCoin Pro has expanded to countries all across the globe with thousands of members who have learned this system. We have a vibrant community of people in our forums that are there to help each other succeed, so you are definitely never alone. So as you can see, everything is here under one roof. Other trading programs for Forex, futures, etc. can cost you thousands of dollars to get started and hundreds of dollars per month, and don't even offer anywhere near the training or software and tools that you get with iCoin Pro. With iCoin Pro, you can get started for just $99.95 and only $39.95 per month. In fact, some of our students make more money on their very first trade than it even costs to join iCoin Pro. On top of the iCoin Pro Trade Finder system helping you pick off winning trades to make daily, weekly, and monthly profit, you can earn even more through iCoin Pro's powerful Powerline system and affiliate compensation plan. In fact, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a free temporary position in our company Powerline. And with millions of people around the world wanting to learn how to profit in cryptocurrency, every time a new person does the same, they will be placed below you in the Powerline. Each Wednesday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of iCoin Pro for just $99.95 to start and just $39.95 per month moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line in the highest available position following their enroller. And the way our compensation plan works, everyone has two frontline positions. Once those two spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the ones who are already in there. So if anyone is placed under you in the matrix, whether you personally introduced them or they were enrolled by people above you in the matrix, you will get paid on them. In fact, just one person who goes to work could potentially earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, even if you don't enroll anyone yourself. And if you do choose to share the iCoin Pro system and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. With the most powerful matching bonuses in the industry, just by enrolling two people, you literally triple your earning potential, with thousands of people joining iCoin Pro in the next 24 months. The only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your spot, the higher you will be positioned. Fill out the form on the right to reserve your spot today and see why people are calling iCoin Pro the best kept secret in this industry.
All right, so there's the video on Project ICP. Again, if you go to msimind.com/Bitcoin, you can click on the red button to get access to the free boot camp. You'll see that same video, and you'll be able to register. So definitely check that out. Again, that is msimind.com/Bitcoin. So you can get access to that on my site. And then you get access to the Trade Finder software. Again, the full training suite goes into advanced modules. You can get all of the trading that you need to start profiting on crypto within the training suite with Project ICP. So this is the software that I utilize, and then that works with them. And then from there, you can grow your crypto earnings and balance. Okay, hold on, my screens are refreshing. So give me 1 second and I'll load back up the screen share. But as that loads back up, let me load the screen share back up for everyone. All right, so screen share should be back up now. But yeah, looking at the software, so this is where I got all the information to find that trade with the Trade Finder, and you'll learn how to utilize this software, how to start reading the charts, and how to start maximizing your profits within the micro profit system and in the crypto markets. I definitely want to keep the disclaimers up. Definitely read through the disclaimers. Making sure that you do your due diligence. Always want to make sure that you keep your trades, properly aligned. But you have a ton of information here with Project ICP when you get into the training platform. So it is, like the video mentioned, $99 to start, and then $40 per month for the software, but you get a full suite of training for everything crypto and profiting in these markets. So it's great training information, great information to get started in crypto, and then great information to start building with crypto. But you can get started with the free boot camp as well. So that the boot camp is an hour, teaches you the first strategy, gives you just a bit of information. Again, by going to msimind.com/Bitcoin, you'll be able to access the free boot camp with the red button, and that will allow you to then jump into it and get started fairly quickly in building out your profits within the crypto markets. And then you can join my calls. I do this on the third Saturday of each month, where you can come and ask additional questions. I try and look for live trades during that time as well, as we just did earlier by doing that Ethereum buy. So I have that trade in here, but I'm going to let it continue to stake. I may buy it again some more if it dips even more. So I'll buy some more and then continue to just stake that balance and let it grow with the 3% staking reward. And then however the markets continue to grow with Ethereum, I'll also gain on that as well with that balance value growth. But that is how I trade. Generally, I would have, if it was a coin that I wasn't looking to hold long term, I would enter in a sell order with a target price. So usually about 2 to 3%. But you have the calculations here. Normally, depending on how far it can move, like this one, particularly with this rate, it would probably only move about a 1% trade with Ethereum, depending on how hard it moves. But looking at the average line here, which is this yellow line, it would get back to about 3,500. So that's a little high. So that's a little less than 1%. So that's why I'm just going to, instead of trying to wait on the 1% trade, I'm just going to put it into staking and work on the 3% and get the accumulation rewards. But definitely growing with that. And this would be the break-even point all the way up here at 35.28. So I'd have to get over 35.28 to break even. So, we'd want to see more growth out of that. 35.64 here would be 1% growth. So the software gives you these calculations, and you'll learn how to utilize that by becoming a member of iCoin Pro and then growing from there. And then attending calls like this. We have a full Facebook group, a lot of support. So if crypto is something that you want to get involved with and learn more of, definitely come and join us so that you can start to get that information and gather everything that you need to start profiting in the crypto markets. I see from the video, we had a 97% win rate with this software and strategy. I have been able to profit and win on all of my crypto activity. I have not lost any money in the markets. Again, with the disclaimers, the results are not the same, and the past does not predict future. activity. So definitely make sure that if you're getting into the markets, that you understand what you're doing and the risk that comes with trading. But you can profit when you have the system and you know how to work the markets the right way and you follow the strategies. I've been able to win with it. A lot of people have been able to win with it. You can win with it as well once you learn. And everything in life is a learned skill. So once you learn this skill, nobody can take it away from you. You can continue to profit in these markets, which is a 24/7 market. So you can continue to profit at any given time and continue to expand your crypto holdings and profit as the markets change as well. But I definitely want to bring that to everyone. Make sure that you got this information. Again, join the meetup group for third Saturday of each month or watch on the YouTube channel. You can go to msimind.com and get access to those, the red button for the YouTube channel, and then the yellow buttons for my additional meetup groups. And you can join any of the meetup groups to get on these live Zoom calls. They're going to be at 12 noon Arizona time on Saturdays. So each one has a different call each Saturday at 12 noon Arizona time. So definitely get on board with us. Start taking advantage of this information. I definitely want to see more of you guys on here and answer as many questions as I can. Definitely look at some of the past videos, as you'll likely get some of the questions that you may have been already answered, but definitely join in with us each and every third Saturday if you're interested in learning more about crypto, so that we can help you get the information that you need. So that's all we have for today's call. Wasn't much more that I wanted to get into, but other than sharing that with you, and the trade, a little bit different of the way trading, but like definitely throwing in staking in there because I think that's a great way to continue to earn and grow your crypto holdings with staking. So definitely, if you need more information on that, don't hesitate to reach out. Feel free to leave comments on the YouTube channel and let me know what you're thinking, how far you are in your crypto journeys, and get involved in the meetup groups. So, but that's all I want to share with you guys on today's call, and definitely hope you join the next one and hope to see you gain